I should have done this during the day, but I'm getting antsy and I want to do this right now. So what I did was finally decided where I wanted to mount this piece of blue tape because it is removable. And what I ended up using was, let's see if I don't get shadows here. What I ended up using was this long nose pattern marker by Fastcap. Wrong side. So hopefully you can see this, super thin. This will actually go all the way through. Made my mark, held it in place, and we are ready to rock and roll. So one of the things that I ran into was, let me see if I can grab this, from that curvature right there, it's actually going out. I don't know if you can see the light from there. You can see some light. What I'm scared, or what I was scared about, was I start making some holes and it's just slightly off because of that curvature. That bolt's gonna want to go straight, but this is coming at an angle, kind of like this, if you will. So we are gonna try our best and see what happens with this. Got some rivnuts, did my measurements, and we're about to find out if this works or not. This is gonna be, yeah, too small. A little pilot hole. Then we get our step. Go little by little. Just to where it's snug. Oh, a little bit more. Feels good. Remove the tape. Reason I did the blue tape was a little bit more visible than the actual marker. Let's see, I was supposed to make the hole right there. You wouldn't have been able to see it. So let's see if we can show you those holes right there. Alright. Rivnut time. I bought this kind of like a 2-in-1. Came with packs of rivnuts, different sizes. And then, where'd you go? It came with the actual adapters for it. Go. Nicely labeled in this package. M4. Going to pop this guy in. Drill. Rivnut, where'd you go? Rivnut, where'd you go? And I lost it. It's in my hand all this time. Alright. This. Goes on till it's snug as a bug. Just like that. Pop this guy in place. Adjustable wrench. Alright. Hail Mary. No, it didn't work. Yeah, and this drill sucks too. That did not work at all. And now I'm left with a big old hole there. After having a oh snap moment, made some new holes. As you can see, where's it at? Where's the old one at? With the drill, put a little too much sauce in there, and it just yanked it right through. So I went a little softer, got the ratchet, and we're gonna make the new one. What I also did was I didn't put enough pressure pushing in, so I saw it slipping out. I thought it was getting tighter. Obviously I was wrong. So let's try this again. Again, sorry for the lighting. So I have one that's stuck in there, one hole, and then the new one. Make sure that's tight. Let's try this again. This is the old one. Let's get rid of that. Put pressure forward. A little resistance. Get a few more turns. Feels good. Doesn't look pretty right now, but that is good for me. Let me go get the bolts. There we go. I have a feeling that's a little too long. A little shorter. There we go. One. That is sweet. Logo up. This isn't in its final position just yet. That's on there. Okay, that's pretty freaking cool. Let's see if I can take. It's supposed to be done with one hand.